Oh, an opportunity that just wasn't controlled enough. The keeper came off his line and Moremi wasn't able to quite control. These are some of the opportunities that have been created so far. There was a cross from that left-hand side that went over the crossbar, and then that little breaking run that came from side bin Rahma, and a real good opportunity to open the scoring. Look how he holds off Talent and Barter. Beautiful through ball. Should have been the opening goal of the match, wasn't?
And what I liked about his attempt was that he used the side foot. Normally players, when they get themselves in that beautiful position, is like they go for power. And they tried to place it, but it didn't work out. But that was the best way to approach it. And then this moment from Moremi, where I think he allowed that bounce, which wasn't the best thing. Individual tactics, they say, don't allow too many bumps, or even just that one bump. If you can afford to bring it under control quickest, it's the best way you can go about it.
Siklen Dooley finding a ball that was headed towards Kamahelis Bili, and Neom conceding a corner on that occasion. Then there was that miss from Radiopan himself. Lovely little ball tucked in and just not quite on the ball at the same time. And with the wind blowing across the field of play, it arrived at him maybe a little quicker than he anticipated. This is the free kick that was played in just recently. Good protection in the middle of the park there for Orlando Pirates. And no damage done as there is a water break. I know at the World Cup there were those